welcome back guys. We're back at my main field in the forest of Belgium. But today is something special because even though this field is huge, there's 170 players in total today. 85 versus 85 players fighting over conquest capture points spread out in the area, and I've been tasked with my knowledge of the field to sneak amongst the enemy players and cause as much trouble as possible. So to stay hidden amongst the enemy, I've fitted this giant suppressor on my SV98 version SG24, linked to those in the description, to mask the sound coming from my gun to keep my position unknown. And as it turns out, it's a great way to catch some dishonest people you see later in the video. Thankfully, normally players on this field are very honest. Here we go. Shooting at me taken out, nobody else should be aware of my position. On this field, once players are down, they're not allowed to give their teammates any more information. After it's been quiet for some time, I've decided to stay put and hidden. I'm literally in the middle of both teams as the rounds are passing right over my head. Instead of dealing with these guys, I make my way to link up again with another great sniper on the field today, Kicking Mustang. You can check out all of his links below. Only the two of us are now tasked with taking down a capture point that's very close to an enemy base, or at least keep pressure on it. However, it's very deep in enemy territory, and with 85 players on the enemy team, we have to sneak our way through the front line to get to the back and sit right among the enemy.